Hey everybody, it's Neil. If you have a sliding gate, this one here can come in handy for you. Let me open this up. Looks like we've got it kind of opened up a little bit on the bottom. I'll show you what we have. These are sliding gate wheels. And these are heavy duty. Look at this. So if you have a sliding gate, my buddy's got a sliding gate at the front of his entrance of his home, and these things here are what he's going to be able to use. He'll probably just end up welding them on to his gate to make it go. And then these are just nice. They roll really good. They got good bearings on these, man. So these are nice. They are heavy duty. These are solid. If you're looking for some sliding gate wheels, it looks like we had a set of 2 of them in the box. So these will totally come in handy if you have that. These are just it, and it's got a nice, good sized groove. I'd say that groove is probably 3/4 of an inch or so. You can kind of see it right there. And so it will go, and it's got a little flat section in the middle. So depending on how your rail is, how that will fit on there. So I'm gonna say this one here looks like a winner to me. Thumbs up, super solid.